So, builder's pencil. Look, it's flat in its profile, okay? So, this is how we're going to do it. I am going to create a template. So I'm going to draw along the bottom. That's running along the ridge. I'm going to hold the pencil on the edge. And look, you'll see I'm creating. Don't worry if it bumps up a little bit, because we can use a ruler once it's overlaid the PPF. Like so. So there's our tops. I'm just going to block the camera. Top there. Top there. Now, one of my lucky skills is I'm ambidextrous, which helps me quite a bit, particularly when it comes to cutting. So what I'm going to do is just run this down here. So you can see, look how clean these patterns are. I'm going to go back here. Okay, I've got one more to do. So this, guys, is a real time. How long has that taken, Neil?
Just under 2 minutes.
Here we go. So just under 2 minutes. And there we go. If you look at that, super neat. I can now peel this off, overlay it over that some PPF, use some rulers, and then the next clip will be me applying these. And there is all the pieces by my template. Absolutely inch perfect. They look like they've been done on a plotter. I'm going to do one. Here's one. The top tacked, going to work down like so, taking my time. Always good to press. If I was to go up like that, I'll bunch the film. So look, I can still slide it, I can still move it like so. Simple as that. Give that a moment before I touch it. Now I've polished these as you've seen, and those are protected, and we can move on to whatever we're going to do on the rest of the car. The front bumper is the next piece, and that is 2 templates created without software for pieces that didn't have anything available, but done to a software standard. So if you guys want to learn how to do this, it's the Top Wrapz Academy. For my clients out there, I'm going to double this one up. If you want this for your car, drop us a DM. Let's get you booked in and get it sorted.